Hi there, I am going to talk to you today about multiplying whole numbers by mixed numbers. Mixed numbers is where you have a big whole number in front of a fraction. So this should be the last in the multiplying a fraction videos that we have, so you should already know how to do the basics of this type of problem. There's one extra step that you have to add in when you're multiplying a whole number times a mixed number rather than just a whole number times a fraction, and that is changing this into a fraction. The way you do that is 2 times 4 plus 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 1 at the top is 9, and your denominator stays the same. So you can change 4 and 1/2 into 9/2. And then you're just going to multiply it by your whole number. So you'll finish the problem like you have been, like we did in the other videos. So 3 times 9 is 27. And when this is a whole number, we just pretend that there's a 1 at the bottom. 1 times 2 is 2. So the answer on our test for chapter 9 could be shown as 27/2, but most likely they're going to want you to then take this and change it back into a mixed number, which you do by actually dividing, because this fraction line means divide. So you would do 27 divided by 2. 2 fits into 2 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down your 7 and start over. 2 fits into 7 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So I have these three numbers when I finish my division problem, and as I have taught you before, you take those three numbers and those are what you're going to use to make your mixed number. The one that's in the top circle is always going to be your big number in front. Your remainder will always be your numerator, and your denominator will be found right here. And also, you know that you have it correct if it matches your denominator from the beginning of the problem, because denominators always stay the same. So 13 and 1/2 will be your final answer for your problem that you started with way over here. 3 wholes times 4 and 1/2. All right, I hope that helps.